In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put two buttons side by side in Elementor. So in order to put two buttons on side by side, the first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is elementor.com. Into this part, head over and click onto this Get Started in order to get started for an account, or click onto this Login if you already have one. Now we need to host Elementor, so for that case, we will use WordPress. Click on this Get Started in order to create an account for WordPress, or click on this Login if you wish to use the account that you already have. So you can actually install Elementor on WordPress by adding it as a plugin. So on your screen, you can see in here the page that I have created using Elementor on WordPress. Since I want to put two buttons side by side, I need to utilize the power of grid. You can find it under the layout. So click on the grid right here and then just put it wherever you want it added. It can be above any elements or onto the very bottom if you wish to. So for this case, let's add it right here. And here it is. So in here, you can see that under the items is the columns and rows. So since we want to just make a side-by-side option, we need to have one row and two columns. Here it is, and this is what it will look like. Now into this part, we just need to add a button. So click on this plus icon, search in here for the widget for the button, and then drag and drop it right here. And then do another one and drag and drop the button onto the second grid right here. Now we have these two buttons side by side. You can also edit what this alignment will look like. So into this, you can click on this particular button, and under the style, you can actually add it into the center or by each other. So for example, here's on the center, here's on the right side, so they are actually side by side through that way. So I will just leave it like this, and into the content, you can input right here a specific link if you would want to. So that's how you put two buttons side by side in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.